Visiting a charity shop.
Good morning. I have some clothes and household items to donate.
Good morning. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your kindness.
I am happy to help. I hope these things are useful.
I'm sure they will help many people in our community.
I cleaned everything before bringing it here.
That is wonderful. Clean items are always easier to prepare.
Where should I put these bags?
Please place them on this table. I will check them.
There are jackets, shirts, and some kitchen bowls inside.
Those are very useful items. Many families need them.
I also added a small coffee maker.
That is very generous. Someone will enjoy using it.
What happens after you receive these donations?
First, we check every item carefully for good quality.
Do you wash the clothes again?
Yes, we clean and prepare everything before selling it.
Who usually shops here?
Many students, families, and older people visit our shop.
That makes me happy to hear.
Your donation will make shopping easier for many people.
Does the money stay in this community?
Yes, the money supports local families and community programs.
That is a great reason to donate.
Every donation, big or small, makes a difference.
Do many people donate every week?
Yes, we receive donations almost every day.
That is nice. People really care about others.
They do, and we are thankful for every donation.
Can I donate books next time?
Of course, we gladly accept books in good condition.
I have some children's books at home.
Children will enjoy reading those very much.
They have been sitting on my shelf for years.
Now they can make someone else happy.
Can I also volunteer here someday?
Yes, we always welcome new volunteers.
What do volunteers usually do?
They sort donations, help customers, and organize the shelves.
That sounds interesting and enjoyable.
It is. We work together and enjoy helping people.
I would like to help on weekends.
That would be wonderful. We would love your help.
Thank you for explaining everything today.
Thank you for your kindness and generous donation.
Visiting a sports store.
Good morning. I am looking for some sports equipment today.
Good morning. Welcome. I would be happy to help you.
I want to start exercising more often.
That is a great idea. What sport do you like?
I enjoy running and doing simple workouts.
We have many running items in this section.
I need a new pair of sports shoes.
We have different shoes for running and training.
Which shoes do you recommend for beginners?
These shoes are comfortable and good for daily exercise.
They look nice. Are they easy to wear?
Yes, they are light and have good support.
Great. Can I try them on?
Of course. Please sit here and try them.
They feel very comfortable on my feet.
That is good. The right shoes are very important.
I also need a sports shirt.
These shirts are popular because they are soft and light.
I like this black one. How much is it?
It is $15. It is a good price.
That sounds reasonable. I will take it.
Good choice. It will be great for workouts.
Do you have any water bottles?
Yes, we have bottles in different sizes.
I need one for the gym.
This bottle is strong and easy to carry.
Perfect. I think I need this too.
It is a useful item for every workout.
Do you have any small exercise bags?
Yes, these bags can hold your sports items.
This one looks simple and useful.
It is also very affordable.
Great. I do not want to spend too much money.
We have many good products at different prices.
Thank you for helping me choose everything.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy your exercise.
I feel ready to start my new routine.
That is wonderful. Good luck with your fitness goals.
I will come back when I need more items.
We will be happy to help you again.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You are welcome. Have a great day too.
Catching the last bus.
Excuse me, is this the last bus for Oak Street?
Yes, this is the last bus going to Oak Street tonight.
Oh, good. I was worried I missed it.
You are just in time. We will leave soon.
That is a relief. I need to get home.
No problem. Please check your destination before you enter.
I need to go to Oak Street near the park.
Yes, this bus stops near the park.
Great. Is this the correct route?
Yes, this route goes directly to Oak Street.
Thank you for helping me. I was a little confused.
You are welcome. Many people check the route at night.
Do I need to buy a ticket here?
Yes, you can buy your ticket from me.
How much is the ticket?
It is $2 for this trip.
Here is the money. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is your ticket.
Do I need to keep the ticket?
Yes, please keep it until you leave the bus.
I will. Thank you for reminding me.
No problem. Please take a seat.
Is the bus ride long?
No, it takes about 15 minutes.
That is good. I can get home quickly.
Yes, this is the last bus, so we will not be late.
I am happy I found this bus.
Me too. It is important to help passengers get home safely.
Do many people take this bus at night?
Yes, many people use it after work.
That is helpful for the community.
Yes, public buses help many people every day.
Thank you for being patient with me.
You are welcome. I am happy to help.
I will remember this route next time.
That is great. It will be easier for you.
I think I am ready to go now.
Good. Please sit down and enjoy the ride.
Thank you. Have a safe drive.
Thank you. Have a safe trip home.
Talking about dreams.
I like talking about dreams and future plans.
Me too. Everyone has dreams they want to follow.
What is one place you dream of visiting?
I dream of visiting Japan someday.
That sounds exciting. Why do you want to go there?
I want to see the culture and beautiful places.
That is a wonderful dream. I hope you visit there.
Thank you. What place do you want to visit?
I want to travel to Italy one day.
That sounds amazing. What do you like about Italy?
I want to see old buildings and try Italian food.
I think that would be a great experience.
Yes, traveling helps us learn new things.
I agree. What is another dream you have?
I want to improve my English skills.
That is a great goal. You are doing well.
Thank you. I practice every day to get better.
Small steps can help you reach big dreams.
You are right. What is your future goal?
I want to start my own small business.
That is a great dream. What kind of business?
I want to open a small coffee shop.
That sounds wonderful. I think people will love it.
Thank you. I hope it becomes successful someday.
I believe you can do it.
Thank you. Your words give me confidence.
We should always support each other's dreams.
Yes, dreams need hard work and patience.
Sometimes dreams take a long time.
That is true, but we should never give up.
Big dreams need big effort.
Yes, but the journey can be fun too.
I hope we both achieve our goals.
I hope so too. We should keep trying.
Talking about dreams makes me feel motivated.
Me too. Dreams give us hope for the future.
I will continue working toward my dreams.
I will too. Let's make our dreams come true.
Thank you for sharing your dreams with me.
Thank you too. It was a nice conversation.